Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are on this look. See that, guys? See that? Yes, today we are doing that green smoky eye with a touch of gold. Yes, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that red button there. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much, guys. Yes, thank you for your support. You are amazing. Let's get straight to the video and see all this. As I said earlier that I'll be doing that green makeup look, so I'll start with my eyelids, and the first thing is to prime my eyelids or base, however, with this LA Girl concealer in the shade beige. So I'll just tap it. Shadow palette here, this is Cara Beauty. It has beautiful shades, and I'm going for this green here, this one here, this one, that green shade. Then I'll blend it with this other green. Can see that? So I'll start by tapping in the green. And because I want it to be kind of smoky, so I have to tap it and blend it so well. Next, I'm going to take another brush, and I'll take this green, this shade here, this one. Then blend this part here. This is kind of light, as you can see. So I'm going in with this black shade now. This black, it's kind of black, but it's not too black. Then I'll do it just here, just at the end of that transition. Can see that. Next, I'm going to take my micellar water here, then rub that excess. I want to cut that crease just here. I'll be using this concealer in the shade beige to cut that crease. So next, after the crease, I'll take the brush that I just used to do my upper part here. The same green I'll use on this other part here. So I'll take just a little bit of it and tap in. It's kind of neon green. Next, I'll go in and blend this green darker shade and just mix it with the rest, like so. Just tap it, a little bit of it, and add more just to create that smoky eye. In this other corner here. Next, I'm going to use this glitter shade here, yes, on this part here. So I'm going to take my glitter glue. And boom, baby, that's the glitter. I love it. I love it. It's popping. It's popping. So I'll go ahead and do the other eye off camera. Then you'll see how it will be, plus the lashes. Oh yes. Moving on to the rest of the makeup, I'll be using Maybelline Superstay Foundation. Yes, in the shade 356. So I'll just tap in. Next, I'm going to use this palette by BH Cosmetics. Yes, and it's a very nice concealer palette. It has so many shades, and you can contour with this dark shade here. Yeah, you can contour with this. Then this one you can color correct with this one if you have dark spots or high pigmentation, that dark pigmentation. Then there are other colors, as you can see there are other shades. Then there is the yellow color corrector here. So yes, I was gifted this by my friend Monique. Monique, if you're watching, God bless you. This is amazing. It's really a nice concealer. Yes, so I'll go ahead with this shade here, then contour just on this area here. So I'm using this shade, then I'll contour with this. Yes, I will share her link on the description box. She's also a YouTuber, guys, and she does very nice makeup, so you can also follow. I'm going to take my Sasha Buttercup and I'm going to set that in. Then I'm going to use the same palette to contour, and I'll use this dark shade here. Now I'll go in with my contour palette here, the powder, then set that in. I'll go ahead and take my blush here by Trendy Tab, then do a little bit of it on my cheekbone. Yes, this gives me some color. And I really love this color. It's a neutral look. It's not too much. I just love. Next, I'm going to take my highlighter. Yes, it's J-Cut highlighter. Yes, as I always say, my favorite. I'm going to take another brush, then blend this. Next, I'm going to take the sleek one now. This is kind of beigeish white. Next, I'm going to use the same palette that I used to just do some finishing here on my under eye. I'm going to take the same brush that I used, then blend that green color. I'll just do the lighter shade here, then the darker shade, and this, yes, this end. Then I'll take my mascara. This is Golden Rose. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you love this look, if you love it, just if you love it, yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit that red button, show me some love guys. Love you all. Bye. See you on the next one.